Good morning, children. Let's finish with the prayer first. हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, तेरे बच्चे हम हो सच्चे, तेरे बच्चे हम हो सच्चे। हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम। पढ़ लिखेंगे योग्य बनेंगे, नया सीखेंगे करके देखेंगे, काम करेंगे नहीं डरेंगे, नित्य बढ़ेंगे बढ़ चलेंगे। हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम। माँ की सुनेंगे दूध पिएंगे, पिता की सुनेंगे व्यायाम करेंगे, टीचर की सुनेंगे दंगा न करेंगे, जल्दी सोएंगे जल्दी उठेंगे। हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम। बड़े छोटों का ख्याल करेंगे, सबकी मदद ऐसे करेंगे, किसी से ना लड़ेंगे, भेदभाव ना करेंगे, हर रोज हम यही कहेंगे। हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम। तेरे बच्चे हम हो सच्चे, तेरे बच्चे हम हो सच्चे। हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम। Now we'll do English. Come to chapter number 6, page number 61. Yeah, the chapter's name is The Ant and the Pigeon. Okay, this is a new chapter. Please pay attention. So first part is listen, read and do. And the second part is look at the pictures, put the correct numbers in the circles to make a meaningful story. So there are these points given out here which will tell you the story about this. Okay, we need to put it in the correct order. Now what is it? The first point is, one day an ant fell into a pond and could not come out. Okay, one day an ant fell into a pond and could not come out. A pigeon sitting on a tree saw it and decided to help the ant. He threw a leaf into the pond. A pigeon sitting on a tree saw it and decided to help the ant. He threw a leaf into the pond. The ant climbed onto the leaf and safely came out of the pond. The ant climbed onto the leaf and safely came out of the pond. After a while, a hunter saw the pigeon and aimed at it. After a while, a hunter saw the pigeon and aimed at it. The ant saw this and quickly climbed up his arm and stung it. The ant saw this and quickly climbed up his arm and stung it. The hunter screamed in pain. The hunter screamed in pain. He missed his aim. The pigeon heard his scream and flew away. So these are the 6 points. I want you all only to read today. Okay, today's work is only to read. So what is happening is the ant. So what is the first part? One day an ant fell into the pond and could not come out. मतलब एक एंट किधर गिर गया? पॉन्ड में. पॉन्ड क्या होता है? इट्स अ पूल ऑफ वाटर, मतलब एक छोटा पानी का वाटर बना रहता है. अ पिजन सिटिंग ऑन अ ट्री सॉ इट एंड डिसाइडेड टू हेल्प द एंट. ही थ्रू अ लीफ इनटू द पॉन्ड. मतलब क्या हुआ? द पिजन ट्री पे बैठा था और उसने डिसाइड किया कि वो एंट को हेल्प करेगा. कैसे हेल्प करेगा? ही थ्रू अ लीफ इनटू द पॉन्ड. उसने एक पत्ता फेंका पॉन्ड में. The ant climbed onto the leaf and safely came out of the pond. Ant धीरे से लीफ के ऊपर चढ़ के बाहर अच्छे से safely he came out. After a while, a hunter saw the pigeon and aimed at it. उसके बाद उसने क्या किया? हंटर, ओके, हंटर ने देखा और पिजन को एम किया. The ant saw this and quickly climbed up his arm and stung it. Ant ने क्या किया? Because पहले पिजन ने ant को हेल्प किया, तो अभी ant ने पिजन को हेल्प किया. ant ने देखा ये करते हुए और वो फटाफट हंटर के आर्म पे, आर्म क्या होता है? सो ऑन योर हैंड और ऑन योर आर्म करके उसने एक स्टिंग कर दिया उसको. द हंटर स्क्रीम्ड इन पेन एंड ही मिस्ड हिज एम. हंटर को बहुत जोर से लगा वहां पे और उसने उसका निशाना छूट गया. द पिजन हर्ड हिज स्क्रीम एंड फ्लू अवे. द पिजन हर्ड हिज स्क्रीम एंड फ्लू अवे. So you all will all read these 6 points and send it to me. That's what you need to do for English. Now we're going to do this worksheet. Circle the pictures which begin with the same sound and write the alphabet in the box next to it. It's page number 16. Okay, write your name out here and then solve the worksheet. So what is this? It's a flag. What is this? It's a letterbox or a mailbox. And what is this? It's a moon. It's a moon. So what will you circle out here? You will circle this and you will circle this. Why? Because it's a mailbox and moon, MM. And here you will write M. Then we have igloo, egg and ink pot. Key, jelly and kite. Heart, envelope and lock. Okay, or you, instead of envelope it can be letter. Okay, so lock and letter will be one. So this you will finish, write your name and send a picture. After that, turn the sheet. Okay, turn the sheet. Now what you have to do out here is you will write this, what I am writing on my worksheet. Write the missing numbers. Okay, so first 51, second, third, copy it properly. Fourth, fifth, okay, so this much you are going to finish. Take a picture and send it to me. Now for number names, for your maths work you are going to write number names. This you will write in your maths book. Okay, number names from 1 to 50. From 1 to 50 मतलब आप ऐसे ही लिखोगे जैसे पहले भी लिखा है. 1 ONE 1, 2 TWO 2, ऐसे पूरा आप 50 तक लिखेंगे. ओके, आपको ये आता है. आई विल नॉट रिपीट, सो यू विल जस्ट फिनिश दिस, टेक अ पिक्चर एंड सेंड इट टू मी. दैट्स व्हाट यू नीड टू डू फॉर मैथ्स. EVS, कम टू पेज नंबर 78. Page number 78. It's introduction to different musical instruments. What is it? It's introduction to different musical instruments. Okay, so these are different instruments and they make different sounds. Each instrument has its own unique sound. Okay, so I have made a PPT for you all to understand in a better manner. Just have a look out here. It's a drum. And what is the sound of the drum? So that's the sound of a drum. Then we have a bell with the sound of the bell. Then we have damru with the sound of damru. Then we have something called cymbal or tal. Okay? We can see in temples sometimes. Then we have the flute or the basuri. Then we have the lezim. This is the sound of a lezim. Then we have the clarion or the sanai. This is the sound of the sanai. Then we have the gungru. Then the harmonium. Okay, so these are the musical instruments on this page that I have covered today. What you all will do is, you all will draw any 3 or 4 musical instruments in your drawing book from this page. And you will name the musical instrument. For example, if you have drawn bell, you will write bell. Okay. So these are the musical instruments that we have learned today. Okay. So this is all for the day. Have a good day. Bye-bye.